another Harry Potter noodle from Colgate. So this is the Harry Potter sorting hat toothpaste with peppermint flavor for fresh breath and strong cavity protection. Ayan. So pinabili ko pa ito sa aking pamangkin kasi kailangan sa Shopee is meron kang VIP yung account mo. Diba? So let's open the box para malaman natin kung anong house tayo. Dapat kasi Gryffindor ito. Which house awaits? Open the box. Kasi hindi natin siya masira. Ayan na siya. Gupitin na lang natin. Hopefully it's Gryffindor. Oh, see? I'm a Gryffindor. There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you're off to be brave at heart, daring better be Gryffindor. Yay! I'm a certified Gryffindor talaga. So, ayun. Kaya siya special kasi may mga sorting hat. Kita nyo ba? Ayun. May sorting hat ng mga crystals. Ayan. And then, another one. Meron tayong planner. Yung may planner ka kahit wala ka namang plan. Given by a friend, si Claire. Ayan, diba? Hindi ako mahilig sa planner, pero syempre, dahil Harry Potter to, syempre happy tayo. And this is from the Coffee Project. Ayan silang mga Harry Potter stuff. And wala akong pake kung 2000 ano pa to. Basta meron akong planner from Coffee Project na Harry Potter. And added collection. Ayan. Diba? As you can see, 2023 siya na planner. Pero, Carry Bells na yan. I don't care kung anong year. So, meron akong collection na planner. So, oh, diba? I'm certified Gryffindor. Kasi, my birth month is January. Have notes there. Write down your fears and cross them out as you get over each one. Then meron siyang Hogwarts Castle and Harry Potter Pocket Friendship. And there's the dates. Siguro ilagay ko lang naman dito is yung mga birthday reminders para may maisulat ako. So every month iba-iba yung ano. So you have to write down your plans for the year. Kasi ka na plano kahit wala ka namang plano. And list down the things you'd like to learn this month. Ayan. So, pagdating ng Feb, it's Ravenclaw na yun. Ang ganda. Parang ayaw ko itong sulatan kasi ang pangit ng penmanship ko. Madudumihan ko lang siya. Ang pagdating ng March, Slytherin. Kaway-kaway sa mga Slytherin dyan. Yan. Overall, ang ganda siya. Ang cute ng Hufflepuff. Yan, paulit-ulit lang yung mga houses. Ganda. So, another collection is added. Thank you.